I'm rolling out.
So dangerous. What is up, you guys? We are back at it again with another video. Look, my hair looks so gross right now, but whatever. I don't really care.
Yeah, you do.
We are going to do the elephant spin challenge, and so we got 2 games going on, and we are going to go against each other. So our first game is we're going to spin 15 times and pick up a water measuring cup, and we have to bring that measuring cup to the other measuring cup, and whoever gets the most water wins that round. Our next game is we spin 15 times and then we throw a dart at the dartboard, and whoever gets closest to the target wins. Ready?
That's right. Let's get it. Bang. All right, guys. So we're doing the elephant spin right now. I'm gonna spin 15 times. Grab that water, pour in that water, and see how much water I can get into that cup. All right. So let's do it. Hopefully, I do well. There's poop right there. Hopefully, I don't fall in it. Set. Go.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
one more.
14.
Dude, you gotta go quickly, dude. Okay, you're not even dizzy no more.
Dude, it's still spinning, bro.
Okay.
It's still spinning. I hate being dizzy.
450 liters. Alright, so Peter's was 450 liters. I have to beat that. Oh my gosh, I'm probably not gonna beat it, but whatever. Okay guys, my turn. Make sure you do it.
Yeah, it's not like that.
Oh, my nose is runny.
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
1, 2,
No.
3.
4,
Dude, you're so slow.
5,
Dude, you're slow.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Dude, you're so slow.
13, 14.
Fake news. Fake news.
Oh, no.
Tell me, why were you so slow? You're
That
gonna
was fast.
you're gonna watch it and you're like, what? Alright, y'all,
Oh my
so
gosh.
she got it. You wanna lift it up? You did it by liters?
Oh my gosh.
She got
500. 500 milliliters.
500. So she beat him by 50.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah.
Alright, next game.
If you guys have not already, go click that subscribe button. Oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so go ahead, be a part of the family. Help us make that happen. Next game. Let's go. Alright guys, so we moved the target board game into the house because I forgot to bring the tripod, and it was just gonna be harder to film, so we moved it inside the house, and we're gonna start with Peter going first.
Okay guys, same count to 15 spins.
Ready, set, go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, 13.
You can go lower, dog.
15. Oh, it's spinning so hard, I can't.
Okay, so we're just gonna leave Peter's right there, and I'm gonna grab another dart. My turn. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Slow as that?
11, 12,
You're so slow.
13, 14, 15.
You're so slow.
Hit my hand and everything.
Oh, easy work, boys. Mine third.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2,
Lower.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You need to count slower because you're not even going one full circle before you do
11,
it.
12,
No. 14.
15.
15. One more. Spin one more. Ah! Okay, all I have to do is get it on the ball. Okay. Ready?
Lower.
Set. Go. 1, 2,
No.
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Like walking.
15. No!
I guess we gotta go again. Oh, dude, this is torture now. Okay, guys, we just failed epically. Our heads hurt, and we don't want to do it again. So guess what? We're doing name tag elimination. That's how we're gonna settle things. And of course, last video, the past videos that you guys saw, I lost. So gotta get that revenge anyway. So it works for me. Let's do it. We decided we're gonna spend 5 times at least, and then attack each other. So let's see who can do it best.
Faster you spin. The quicker you get. So ready?
Alright, I'll put it back. Ready?
Go.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! Ah! Dude, that was dangerous. That was so dangerous. Oh, dude. Oh,
I'm rolling nuts.
dude, that was dangerous. Oh my god, I got to crushing it. I won, but I'm not happy about it. Oh.
My nuts.
That was the end of our video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So please go ahead, click that subscribe button and help us make that happen. I love you guys so much. And remember, stay excited for yourself, your passions, and for more videos to come. We love you guys so much. We will see you guys next time.
Oh, Skittles.
Ah.
I'm lazy.